Hang out. Want to hang out at the mall later?
Sure, I'd love to.
Tidy up. I need to tidy up the living room.
I can help you.
Drop off. Can you drop off the package?
I'll do it on my way to school.
Pick up. I'll pick up the kids from school.
Okay, I'll prepare their snacks.
Go over. Let's go over the homework.
Okay, we're ready.
Go off. Why did the alarm clock go off?
Maybe it's broken.
Head off to. What time are we heading off to the party?
We're leaving in an hour.
Freshen up. I'll freshen up in the bathroom before the meeting.
Good idea.
Sit down. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Lie down. After a long day, he lay down on the sofa to take a nap.
It helps him relax and recharge.
Potter about. What are you doing in the garage?
Just pottering about, organizing.
Set about. When will you set about repairing?
I'll start this afternoon.
Work out. I try to work out at the gym.
That's impressive.
Move in. I moved in last month.
Welcome to the area.
Move out. Have you packed to move out?
Yes, I'm all set.
Cross out. Just cross it out.
Okay, I'll do that.
End up. Did you plan to visit?
We ended up going to the beach.
Go ahead. Can I start the presentation now?
Sure, go ahead. Everyone is ready to listen.
Miss out. Are you coming to the game tonight?
No, I'll miss out. I have to attend a family dinner.
Stock up on. Why are you buying so much food?
I want to stock up on groceries.
Give away. What are you going to do with those clothes?
I'm planning to give them away to a charity.
Put back. Please put back the books.
I'll put them back on the shelf.